Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to get to the audio section in Canva so you can add sound effects. Now I'm just going to add a sound effect on this intro here because it's silent at the moment. So sometimes you may find a link to the audio in this menu here, but it isn't there for me, so I don't know why. So I'm going to go to apps and then type in audio in the search bar, and there it is there. So press on that one, and now we can search in audio for what we want. So I was just going to put any little sound like a swishing sound. Let's just type that and see what comes up. Now we can press on play and demo. They're very quiet. Alright, what else can we have? They're a little bit quiet for me. I'll try this swoosh. Just press swoosh or whoosh transition. Let's have a look at that. Seems to be some of those. Whoa, that's scary. Okay. Oh, okay. Actually, I like that one. That'll do. So where do I want that to go? I'll just go back here. I want it to go in here. So I'm going to make sure that that is selected there, that little line. See that there? That's where the position is, and hopefully it will put it in there. So which one was it? Let's test it. I think it was that one. Yeah, it looks like that one there. So just drag it down with your left, hold your left mouse button in. Now it's there. Right, let's start. Oh God, it's weird, isn't it? Now it's not very long, so if you just say you wanted to, you could just simply click on it and duplicate the track and it'll go for twice as long, but we've got to see how it sounds because there's a gap in between. So it kind of repeats itself there. I quickly added another one and I just realised you can just click on it. So just say I wanted to chop that smaller part out. So I want to get the line on whatever I want to chop. So let's go like this and then right click on that little one and say split the audio. And now I've got this big chunk and this little chunk separate. And I'm just going to move that away so I can delete that one. Okay, now this is just the standard audio and then I'm putting it back in. Now I'm just going to play that. It's a bit much maybe, but I just wanted to show you how to split the audio if you wanted to, instead of trying to shrink it to a perfect size or whatever. I am going to delete a couple of those because I don't really need them. You can go and find all sorts of audio in there. So as I said, look at that, now I've got an audio button in there which I didn't have before. So it's obviously putting things in there that I use, which I haven't used hardly at all. But anyway, so now I can just press audio. But for the first time you'll have to go to apps and look for it. So now I can search the audio. Yeah, you can look for something interesting and they've got all sorts of things. Pop, I don't know. I thought it was going to be there's a bubble pop. So let's, okay. Water bubbles popping. Ooh. So, ooh, sounds like a bit of a gurgling pipe. So anyway, there's a lot of different ones there, so you can go through it. Alright, I hope that helps you add a special sound effect to your video. Now, one thing I do have to mention is that when you go to download it by pressing the share button up the top here, which is up in the top right hand corner when you've finished your video, it'll come up with a little message down the bottom here. It'll say connect your social accounts, and this will enable you to have a music license for the music that you use from this program. And it's just better for YouTube, and if you're using it on YouTube or whatever, it's better just to have that license and connect it. So all you have to do is press connect social accounts, and it'll come up with your Google account, or it'll let you choose which Google account you want to use. You sign into it, and you connect the account. It's quite easy. Especially just make sure you know your password for your Google account, and you should be right to do that. So, and then after you've done that, that's only because you've added some special effect into your video there. So this message does not come up if you haven't got anything in there. But once you have connected it, it'll say connect more accounts or whatever. But at the moment I haven't connected anything because I haven't used any special effects yet. So, alright, so if you're not using special effects, you can press download and go ahead. Otherwise, just connect your channel here and you'll be laughing. Okay. If you don't want to use the sound effects that comes with Canva, you can go to the upload section and press record yourself, and maybe you've got a really good microphone or something to make some sound effects for yourself. I've got some bubble wrap over there, I could probably pop some of that or whatever, but if you press this, you get a choice to record the camera, record the screen. Let's do it. So we can press camera or camera and screen, or just the screen by itself. We can also choose, so we can have no camera, and we can also choose the microphone that we're going to use here. Now when you press on the screen part, it comes up with the tabs, some of the tabs that are open in your Chrome browser. Okay, so you can just pick one of them, and if you want to record your screen. Now if you want to just do, let's cancel that. If you just want to record your voice, just press record and it'll record your voice, and you can take it back over there. All you have to do is record it and press save and exit, and it'll put it into the, let's go back to the part here. Now wherever you press on it, it will put it in there. Okay, so make sure you press on it first, then go to record yourself, because then when the audio is done and you save it, it will be put exactly where you've put that pin there. Okay, that's a good one. So you can be pretty creative and create your own audio.